As the first 6 weeks of NTI 2.0 begin, JCPS has started virtually with all the students working from home. But as some schools are a part of the Academies of Louisville, JCPS is finding a way to provide items to help pursue their pathway.
The JCPS Career Kits are opportunities for our career and technical education students to be able to have hands-on opportunities during non-traditional instruction that is going on in our district right now. It would allow those students to use hands-on materials so that they can also continue to work within the standards that the teacher has set for them that is in their field of study. And it allows students the opportunity to collaborate with one another.
As the idea of the JCPS Career Kits begin to grow, many have already started the production of kits for some pathways.
So there are many kits that are being prepared right now. And one of those is teaching and learning, where the students are provided with children's books and papers and crayons and markers. With robotics and IT, there are opportunities for them to build bristle bots and hydraulic kits.
Even though these kits are currently being made, it's all thanks to the multiple donations being received by JCPS, one of the biggest being by Supplies Overseas to the Health Sciences Academy.
Yeah, so Supplies Overseas is a nonprofit. They're out of Louisville. And what they do is they take medical supplies that are out of date. And what they do is they send those supplies out to other countries that may not have the access to the supplies that we have here. I think across the district for health sciences, they had 500 kits donated by Supplies Overseas.
Supplies Overseas is not the only organization who has contributed a huge donation. Other companies like the IKO RCC help by donating a way to store these kits. Even though some of the donations have helped tremendously, JCPS is still in need for funding.
We are welcoming any donations, big or small, that anyone wanted to provide for us. We have a lot of people who are individually providing support to us. We have businesses. You can call JCPS. You can email me at brenda.pirtle@jefferson.kyschools.us. You can email me and I will gladly make connections for you to get that donation to us. And then it is still on our website. If you go on there, there's a donation site. It's right at the top of the header. You can click on that and donate straight from the website.
They can contact the Academy coaches at any Academy of Louisville school. The email is probably the best form of communication for the Academy coaches. And what we're going to do when we receive that information is we're going to communicate that to the district. There's several people working on this at the district. We're working close with them, trying to get more donations. So,
although the career kits are still in production, you can help by donating or even just by helping spread the word. Reporting for WPRP, I'm Madison Weis.